Geeks for Geeks organizing technical scripture where you all can win swags. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. And today I am with one more video and it is very awesome because you all can win assured swags from Geeks for Geeks. There is an event called Technical Scripter and here there are lots of prizes, lots of things where you can get experience and also prizes with all cases. And also there is one more thing that is very awesome, that is internships in Geeks for Geeks if you are selected in top 50. So this all are very nice. So what is in this technical scripter, which is already started from 20th of October and last date is of 19th of January. So doesn't miss this chance of getting Geeks for Geeks swags and also winning cash prizes and got an internship from Geeks for Geeks. So here all about technical script event. And what is in this? Here firstly the details. The technical script event will give you a chance to write and submit technical blogs or articles based on any topic in the computer science world like training technologies, programming languages, machine learning, artificial intelligence, any. You can choose any topic and start writing and you can win many of the Google swags. And what are the swags, how you can win it, I am going to show you. Event already started from 20th of October and its last date means deadline is 19th of January. Topics which you can choose is on mentioned here from Geeks for Geeks. Firstly you need to log in here. If you have not an account on Geeks for Geeks, this is a very famous site for preparing for placements. So make your account and learn from here. There is many educational contents on this site and just choose any topic and just blog it. And after that in the 5 days you need to submit your article on that topic, and after that you can get assured gifts, but doesn't copy from any website because they mentioned that they check from many websites. And you can see the sections where you can write Linux hacks, Android, school learning, artificial intelligence, machine learning, all are the topics here. So you can choose any of this. So now I'm going to show you the what are the gifts here, what are you got if you're selected for this. Here it is mentioned top 50 participants of this technical scripter get an internship opportunity on office internship opportunity from Geeks for Geeks. So first prize is 10,000 cash prize and also goodies and bags. Second is 7,500. Third is 5,000 and fourth and fifth get 20,000 each. And also they all get goodies and swags. And also from 6th to 10th they also got goodies bag. But if you doesn't get any ranking from 1 to 50, so doesn't worry because there is assured reward to all, that you get goodies, 2 pens, 1 Geeks for Geeks sticker and also ₹500 off coupon valid for all courses on Geeks for Geeks from here. So doesn't miss this opportunity. I give the link in the description, you just tap on it and this event is just awesome. Participate in this. Here are the 4 steps you need to follow. You can see when you visit this site where from the link you just go through all this because there is a topic how to pick up all the topic and how to get it, all thing is mentioned on this tab. You just go and take it, and here it is mentioned that only 5 days to you if you take any topic to write on that topic. After that they can give that topic to anyone. If you doesn't have any idea of writing any of the articles, so just tap on here. The link is given here, Geeks for Geeks how to write. When you tap on it you find all about this, how to write this. So that's all from my side. You must participate in this event because there is assured rewards you can win, and you need to write on any topic related to technical and any other. So must subscribe our channel to get this type of videos, and also like this video and share with your friends so they also get benefited and participate in this event.